Hello and welcome to a lands claiming tutorial. This is the claiming method that we use on Bumblecraft and I'll walk you through it today. So first off, what you're going to want to do is do /lands_claim, and as you can see I now have a border around me which signifies my claim. Claiming using the lands plugin works by chunks. If you're on Bedrock you can't see these unfortunately, but if you're on Java you can do F3 and G at the same time to bring up the chunk borders. If we do /lands_view, we can see our claim outlined with some border blocks, and these border blocks will just slowly disappear. Can't really do much more until we deposit some money into our claim. So to do that, just do /lands_deposit and then the amount of money that you want to deposit. From here we can do a variety of stuff with our claim. From here, let's say that we want to expand our claim. I have some buildings here and I want them claimed. How do we do that? So what's best is to do /view so we can see our chunk borders. Go into a new chunk where it says wilderness and type /claim. And as you can see, both of our chunks have now connected together and the claim has expanded. And you can just keep repeating that process to increase the size of your claim. Now walking in and out of my claim, I can see that this is the wilderness, and if I go inside, this land is called Miami. If we wanted to rename it, we'd have to do /lands_rename whatever we want to name it. Now in a claim, players generally speaking cannot break any blocks, can't interact with anything, it is completely protected. But if we have a friend and we want them to build with us, we can trust them. To do this, do /lands_trust and then the player's name. After that request has been sent out, the other player will then be able to do /lands_accept the land name. So now we have claimed some land, trusted some players in it. What can we do from here? If you type /lands menu, you will get a list of tons of different things that you can do to your claim. From here you'll be able to see all of the lands that you are a part of. Just click on the land that you want to manage, and from here there's tons of information that you can have a look into. The main things to note is you can manage your trusted players with this icon here, and you can promote, demote or kick people from the land here. You can also manage invites. These are who you've sent a trust request to. Under management, you'll be able to see the land setting and decide what happens in it, such as disabling TNT, allowing entity griefing, allowing water to come in from the wilderness, etc, etc. There will then be roles. You can create lots of different roles. So far, the default ones will be owner, admin, member, and visitor. If you click a role, you'll then be able to manage their settings. You can rename the role, change its icon, look at the members of that role, and decide what they can and can't do in the claim, from using ender pearls, attacking animals, to opening doors. You can also change their management abilities such as claiming land, the ability to trust players, and withdraw money from the bank. And the final one to look at is taxes. By default this is 0. Here you can change how much your trusted players are charged per day. But what if you go on a massive adventure, you're miles away from your land, how do you get back? To do that, do /lands_spawn. And there we go, we're back to the land. However, what if we don't want to spawn over there? What about if we wanted to spawn nearer to our house? Is do /lands_set_spawn. However, what if you wanted multiple claims? If you do /lands_claim away from your main claim, you won't be able to. So if you want a new claim away from your current claim, you'll have to create a new land under a different name. So to do this, do /lands_create, whatever you want to call it. And we now have a new claim here which we can see, and if we want to expand this, we do the exact same as before and just do /claim from here on out. But now if we went back to our old claim and wanted to expand this one, we can't because we're currently under our new claim. So if we want to do that, just do /lands_edit and then the name of the claim that you want to edit. And now we will be able to start reclaiming this area again. Thank you for watching this guide. Hopefully you now better understand how to use the lands plugin, which we use for claiming on the BumbleCraft server. If you have any questions, leave them below in a comment and I'll do my best to answer them. Make sure to like and subscribe because I plan to do more guides in the future to help you out. If you have any suggestions for the guides that you'd like to see, make sure to leave them below.